We need to watch, because, okay, no, first of all, we need the CPU out. It's over there.
Okay,
take this off
we are
too.
installing the CPU on the motherboard. We had to open this latchy thing right here. It was a very complicated process. It took very several minutes.
Here, I'll open it. Get it?
Josh is opening up the processor.
Ground yourself. Make sure you don't zap the most important part. Okay, I'm pretty sure.
So we're installing the processor right now.
Dude, get the big manual. That's just...
This
I should have like middle.
But okay, you only remove this top part on it. This thing that says remove. We have to take that.
Okay, so put the latchback
Oh,
down
yeah,
the
I
other
get
thing.
you, I get you saying.
Do you think I should put this?
Okay, the processor is gonna go under that.
Okay, and another thing though, there's one corner of these that have a weird triangle on the side of them.
It matches the processor.
I know, I just can't look at
Where's the weird triangle? Then?
Instruction manual.
We should all look what the bottom looks like. Okay, that's we don't need that because that is we have a different one.
That's the processor.
That is
That's
the stock.
the fan. That's the
cooler.
stock fan.
It's not. It came out of this box.
Well, we need to grab that thing at the top.
Don't
It's
throw
right here. It's at
this.
the top.
What are you doing?
Okay, this.
No, just take the cooler out
That
first.
is the i5 processor. The top thing is a cooler fan, apparently.
You know if these outlets even work?
Because Mr. Frostnut said they all do.
Okay, here. That looks way better than the other cooler.
Okay,
Rusty, but
look at that. That is cooler
stock.
for
Stock
There we
cooler.
go. There we go.
that whole big fan thing right there cools that little thing.
That is the
That-
$200.
That is the $200 piece that makes your
You
computer
don't
run.
know. That's a whole other thing.
Dude, cut it out.
Well, how much was all this?
$1,000.
Oh, yeah,
Is that tape?
I think it's
No,
it's a double-sided.
Oh yeah, it is.
Oh, this is.
Oh yeah, we should mention this. This computer build was
Okay,
$1,000
so let's look at
budget.
the bottom quick. Which way?
We
is
spent
it?
like every single
got
dollar.
Oh, I think it means the triangle inside there. Maybe.
Where? Oh.
They are figuring out how to install the thing right now.
I got a good idea.
I don't think is it on the other side?
Hey, dude, it's sitting there recording the thing.